Health Nuts! As promised, I am back with another one-pot pasta recipe today. And in this video, I am making a super simple yet super yummy shrimp and spinach pasta, or call it shrimp aglio olio if you prefer a fancy name. But what's in the name? So let's go ahead and work on the things that actually matter, taste and flavor. Start by heating up a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in a big pot or pan, as this is a one-pot recipe and you're going to cook your pasta as well in this. So make sure to use a vessel that can accommodate your pasta. Now once the oil is hot, add in your shrimps, or you can also use prawns. Saute these for just a couple of minutes. Season the shrimps with just some salt and pepper. I'm using Himalayan pink salt here. Mix it well and saute for just another couple of minutes. Shrimps cook really fast, and you definitely don't want to overcook these. As soon as the shrimps become kind of opaque and it gets this pinkish color, it's done. Now you can take the shrimps off the flame into another container. Now add in some sliced red onions to the pan and saute it well. No need to add any extra oil. Next, add in a heaping helping of minced garlic. I have used around 4 to 5 cloves here. Give it a mix, and now it's time to add some seasoning. Add in some red chili flakes to taste and about 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. Give it all a good mix. Next, pour in about 500 ml of stock or broth of your choice. You can use either chicken, fish or vegetable stock. I prefer chicken stock over anything else, so that's what I am using. And if you don't want to use any broth or stock to cook your pasta in, go ahead and use plain water. But make sure to season the water with some salt. Once the stock comes to a boil, drop your pasta into the pan or pot. I'm using spaghetti pasta today, so it's gonna be a bit of a task to accommodate it into my not so big pan. Gotta work with what you have. So after about a minute's struggle, all my spaghettis are nicely sitting inside and cooking inside the pan. Now lower the flame and cover it. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes or until the pasta is done to your liking. Don't forget to give it an occasional stir, because as I mentioned in my last video as well, the pastas love to stick to the bottom of the pan. Now once the pasta is about 95% cooked through, go ahead and add in your baby spinach or regular spinach, whatever you choose to use. I'm dumping in an entire box of baby spinach, which is about 300 grams. It looks like a lot now, but trust me, it's gonna wilt down to 1/4 of the quantity in just about 2 minutes. There. See, now you can hardly find any spinach in there. Finally, add in the cooked shrimps. Give it all a good stir and mix. Check for seasoning. Add more salt, pepper or oregano if you need to. And ta-da! Dinner is served. Took less than 30 minutes to make it, and now you have just one pot to wash. Isn't that a blessing on busy weeknights? I hope you give this a try, and I hope you enjoy this simply flavorful, healthy one-pot shrimp and spinach pasta. If you're looking for a vegetarian option, I did share an easy peasy one-pot mushroom pesto pasta recipe last week. If you want to check out that video, I'll leave the link to that in the description box below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more. I'll be back next week with one more delicious one-pot pasta recipe. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.